Alright, so I just wanted to give a quick demo of something I've been working on for the last little bit here. I've been working on a addition to BCI2000 that enables web-based control and use of the BCI2000 platform. I'll be probably exposing more and more of this as I develop it over the next couple weeks or so, but I just wanted to give a quick demo of the first actual functional prototype. So, first thing I'm going to launch here is a executable called BCI2000 Web. This is based on the BCI2000 remote protocol, and it's just going to launch in the background. It creates an HTTP server as well as a WebSocket server that will be communicating to BCI2000 using. So, because we're hosting an HTTP server now, I'm actually going to pull up a new tab with Google Chrome here, and I'm just going to navigate to localhost, because that's where that's funny. That's where BCI2000 is hosting the website. So these are just files that are actually located in prog/web. There's an index.html and a JavaScript file that I've got called BCI2k.js that actually facilitates data transmission to and from BCI2000 and handles the communications over the WebSocket. So I'm going to open up this test experiment, and this actually uses jQuery to load up a script, and we'll be sending commands through that WebSocket, which are then interpreted by the BCI2000 script interpreter. So I can hit the show window button, and probably can't see it now, but BCI2000 has appeared. I'll hit the hide window button and show it again, just to demonstrate that it is indeed listening to these commands. And then I can actually, this script here was loaded up from a text file. I can change this script. This is no different than one of the BCI2000 bash scripts or batch files that you'll find in the batch directory. So I'm just starting up signal generator, dummy signal processing, and dummy application. And so I'll run this script. And the last thing in the script is set config, so it'll automatically set BCI2000's config. And then I can hit the start button here and actually start a recording, or I can hit the stop button and stop a recording. And another addition to this project that I've built is a WebSocket connector filter, and that actually sits next to the app connector in the application module, and it will actually open up another WebSocket, and it will just start serializing generic signal packets through that WebSocket server. So we can actually receive the generic signal through this WebSocket connection and actually render it in JavaScript. So I'm going to hit the visualize button and then the start button here, and we're actually now communicating with that WebSocket server, and we're rendering all of the BCI2000 signal content here in this browser panel live. And we can actually send state information by using the send state command. We can change parameters. We can do all of this stuff remotely from a web shell or from a web client if we want to. I've got a whole bunch of use cases and applications for this coming up, but I just kind of wanted to demonstrate what I've got going so far. So I'll just hit the stop button here, and I'll be probably posting videos every now and then just to update you on where I'm at with this project. Just should also mention that I've got an undergraduate student helping me with this by the name of Jason Lee. So he may be in and out of some of these videos as we progress here, but I think this is going to be the start of an exciting new era for BCI2000. More to come.